All right, guys, take a look. Can you see that? All right, so before we get started, let's go over the ingredients, okay? First, we're gonna have 2 packs of cream cheese, like this. You can leave it at room temperature, so that way it'll be a lot more softer for you to work with. Wonton wraps. Next, we have imitation crab meat, like that. If you have real crab meat, by all means, go ahead and use it. Next, we have chives or green onion, whichever to your liking. This is just to give it color and so forth, okay? Black pepper, all right? Garlic powder. And last but not least, honey. Now, let me tell you about honey, okay? The reason why I use honey. When you decide to put sugar and mix it with cream cheese, the sugar doesn't dissolve right away. So if you were to mix that together, there are going to be certain spots where you bite into the Crab Rangoon and you realize that certain spot is not sweet. So you can either dissolve the sugar with just a little bit of warm water, or just another alternative, you can just basically add honey like I'm doing here. It's already liquefied. You just pour it in and it would literally cover every single area. So every bite that you get should be sweet, okay? So what we're going to do is mix everything into a bowl, and then we're going to start making the Crab Rangoon, okay? Let's go. So we're going to add our cream cheese straight into the bowl, just like that. 2 packs. Next, we're going to have our crab meat. Get all that in there. There you go. Just like that. Our chives, or green onion. Garlic powder. I would say a tablespoon of this right here. I'm eyeballing it right now, but if you need the measurements, I would say a tablespoon of garlic powder. That should be good. Next up, black pepper. Just give that a shake all over the top. You don't need too much. That should be good right there. And then you want to add your honey. I would say 1.5 tablespoon to 2. That should be good right there. All right, next, just mix everything up. That's it. All right, now that you're done mixing things up, the good part about this is you can taste it. So everything's already cooked. You got nothing to worry about. You're just basically tasting to see if it's sweet enough or it got enough garlic and so forth. Just get a little bit, taste it. Pretty good, but I think it needs a little bit more honey to make it sweet. So with that being said, 2 more tablespoons. So I would say a total of 4 tablespoons of honey. There you go. That should be good. And maybe a little bit more garlic for me. I like things garlicky. There we go. That should be enough. Give it a mix, and then we're going to fold it into the wonton wraps, okay? Get that mixed up really good, like so. There you go. Looks good enough. Now it's time to wrap it. All right, so we got our filling right here. And we also have our wonton wraps. We only have 1 pack, and we're only going to use half, as you can see. That's plenty right here, okay? All right, so we're going to set this to the side. We're going to grab 1 sheet, and then we are just going to get enough, which is that much. Just the tip, okay? The tip of the spoon. And we're going to put it right in the center, slide it off. Now we're going to use a pinching motion, okay? So what we're doing is like this, all right? So we're going to get the corners. Let's grab this side, and then grab this side. And what we're going to do is bring it up and pinch like that, see? And when we get the top, pinch it tight. like so. See, there you have it. Your first crab rangoon. That's simple. Give it a tight pinch at the top, press it together like this, see, and it stays. And just repeat the process with the whole thing. All right, as you can see, I just got done folding all the crab rangoons. Right here, I still have plenty of cream cheese left. You can put that in the refrigerator in a Ziploc bag and so forth, and you could just pipe it out. It's a lot easier. And also, of course, I still have half of this still, so I could make plenty more. All right, now it's time to fry it. Let's go. First things first, get your wooden skewer or a chopstick. We're gonna test the oil. Once you start to see bubbles like that coming out of your skewer, the oil is ready to fry. Let's get it. Here we go. There you have it. Perfectly golden brown crab rangoon. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to bite into this right here. And there you have it, folks. There you go. Use some of that sweet chili sauce, spring roll sauce. They have it at Walmart. They have it at Target. No excuse not to have it. You know, get you a little bit of that. Pour it in. Like so. Oh man, I ran out. I gotta go by the store and get some more. Anywho's, got some cilantro. And look at that. Nice golden brown crab rangoon. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. This is how you spice things up. Get you some of this, right? Take a look. Take a look. Bam. 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 See that? Just sprinkle it all over that. See? Look how beautiful that looks just by doing that. Give it a color contrast to make it pop. And there you have it. Look at that. It's a crowd pleaser. Look how beautiful that looks. Everybody's gonna love this. You got the sauce. I don't know about you guys, but I'm ready to eat this. Let's give this a try. Oh yeah. Let's see how crispy this is, right? Here we go. Cheers. Give me a little bit of sauce. Here we go. Mmm. That's really good. That's really, really, really good. Can you see that? Cheers. Give this recipe a try, and I will see you all next time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you.